You want your log to be about 3 to 4 feet tall. And the diameter of the cavity should be about 12 to 14 inches all the way down. And if you have a 24-inch wide log, you can have up to 6-inch wall thickness, excellent insulation for hot and cold conditions for the honeybees. And remember, these logs are breathable. When you put a lid on the top of the log, the bees will sometimes use that as an entrance. But I like to do these plunge cuts because they're nice and narrow and easy for the honeybees to defend against robbers. But when you're doing these plunge cuts, you've got to be very careful. It's very dangerous. The saw can buck up and come flying back at you. So take your time. So here you go, you put a lid on it, and then you just wait for the bees to turn up.